Hi, I'm Doug.
I'm Jason.
And we're two Aussie dads.
Doug, American Style BBQ. What do we need?
Alright, we need a smoker. That's why we've got this bad boy here, the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker.
Doug, it's in a box.
Alright, you think you can unbox it?
I reckon we give it a crack.
Alright, let's go.
So this is the Weber Smoky Mountain. It's a vertical smoker. I won't go into all the details about the pros and cons, but I do want to share with you as I open it up and go through it. These things come in 3 different sizes. We got the middle size, mainly because, to be honest, I couldn't justify spending the money on the big one. Here we go, let's have a look. Okay. Alright, so on the top, what do we got? Got some instructions, so yep. We'll be using them later, not. On top, oh yeah, so this must be the grate that goes under the firebox. It's got a bit of weight to it. Yeah, okay. And then we've got 2 cooking grates, a small one and a larger one. They go inside the vertical smoker like that. I'm guessing the small one goes on the bottom. But yeah, again, really good heavy quality, beautiful chroming on them. That's definitely a good start anyway. And now we got, we got a box here. Small parts kit for 18-inch SMC. Okay. I'll open it up down here so the people can see. Okay. So it looks like it's all the little bits and pieces that go to making. Oh look, there's a handle. A few racks and bits. We might do a video of me putting this together as well, because I reckon this is going to take more than a few minutes. So we got a bit of a spacer there. Worms will love that. Okay. Not sure what this is. So we got a black domey looking thing with some holes in it. We got the ring with holes in it, which I'm guessing must be for putting your coals into, and that'll be sitting on that other metal grate. And then we got this aluminium tray. Oh, you know what that'll be? That'll be the tray to catch all the ash and stuff, I guess. What else we got in here? Might move this box down onto the ground. Alright. So, oh yeah, that's the main body of the beast. Yeah, it's got a bit of heft to it too. Beautiful enamelling on it. Oh, here we go. The door. Oh geez, that's no good, is it? No, it came bent in the box. That one's bent there too. That's no good. I'll do that soft aluminium. Bend that back easy enough. That corner might need a bit of a tap with a hammer. Weber, you let me down. What else we got in here? Okay. More worm food. Okay. Holy cow. That's the lid. Look at that, doesn't even sound tinny. That's got a beautiful heavy metal lid. Gosh. That just sits on that bad boy like that. And there you go, you can see the little vents. There's 3 of them. Oh no, hang on. That's the bottom. What am I talking about? Yeah, righto. That's the bottom. This is the lid. That's not a lid. This is a lid. Look at that, it's got a handle there. This is where the other plastic handle goes on. We've got a nice temperature gauge. Geez, I can actually read that about my glasses too. Yeah. 200 to smoke. Works for me. What else we got? Oh, looks like a cover. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's what's in the box. So we got the base with some legs in a box. We've got the main body, we've got some trays, the fire pit, the water bowl. I think that's about it, guys. Alright, well I might have a crack at putting this together and see you back in an hour or so. Cheers.
So there you have it, Doug. Couple of false starts, but we got there in the end, mate.
All right, what's your first impressions, mate?
Hey, overall, good quality. Bit disappointed with the bent door. Weber, you got to lift your game, mate. But overall, I think time will tell.
All right, so that's our video, the unboxing of the Weber Smoky Mountain. I'm Doug.
I'm Jason.
And we're two Aussie dads. Smoke them if you got them. Mate, that is.